Welcome to CarCheck TV, the channel where classic cars meet quick thinking. So let's see how many you can name.
What car is this? 1959 Cadillac Series 62. 1957 Chrysler Windsor. 1958 Oldsmobile. 1959 DeSoto Fire Sweep. 1959 Cadillac Series 62. Which model is this? 1965 Ford Mustang. 1966 Ford Fairlane 500. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. 1968 Pontiac GTO. 1965 Ford Mustang. Identify this car. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro. 1975 Mercury Cougar XR7. 1979 Chrysler Cordoba. 1978 Buick Riviera. 1975 Mercury Cougar XR7. If you're enjoying the ride, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more classic cars and quiz challenges. What model is shown? 1936 Auburn 852. 1936 Chrysler Airflow. 1938 Buick Roadmaster. 1941 Chrysler Newport. 1938 Buick Roadmaster. Name this vehicle. 1956 Ford Thunderbird. 1962 Ford Thunderbird. 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. 1964 Shelby Cobra 289. 1964 Shelby Cobra 289. Which car is this? 1955 Chevrolet Corvette. 1970 Porsche 911T. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette. 1961 Jaguar E-Type. 1955 Chevrolet Corvette. If you're enjoying the ride, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more classic cars and quiz challenges. Guess this car. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. 1955 Buick Special. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. What's this car? 1926 Ford Model T. 1922 Hudson Super 6. 1926 Studebaker Big 6. 1923 Franklin Series 10B. 1926 Ford Model T. Which one is shown? 1947 Cadillac Series 62. 1946 Hudson Commodore. 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe. 1947 Oldsmobile 98. 1947 Oldsmobile 98. If you're enjoying the ride, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more classic cars and quiz challenges. Recognize this model: 1952 Pontiac Chieftain, 1951 Buick Super, 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air, 1954 Mercury Monterey, 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air. What vehicle is this? 1962 Mercury Comet, 1963 Ford Falcon Futura, 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Monza, 1965 Plymouth Valiant Signet, 1963 Ford Falcon Futura. Name this car. 1972 Pontiac Firebird Formula, 1974 AMC Javelin, 1970 AMC Javelin SST, 1970 Dodge Challenger TA, 1970 Dodge Challenger TA. Guess the vehicle. 1965 Buick Grand Sport, 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass, 1969 Buick GS Stage 1, 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle's 454, 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle's 454. Identify this one. 1967 Dodge Super Bee, 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner, 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400, 1968 Oldsmobile 442 W30, 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. Which car is this? 1971 Pontiac Tempest, 1973 Mercury Cougar, 1974 Dodge Dart Swinger, 1975 Plymouth Duster 340, 1975 Plymouth Duster 340. You made it to the end. Awesome. How many of these rides did you nail? Drop your score in the comments and make sure you're subscribed, because more wild car challenges are on the way.